Hey friends, I hope everyone is doing well. I want you to take a look at what I have in front of me, and I think you'll notice that I have some subtraction problems on here. And I also have a number line above each subtraction problem. Today we're going to review subtraction using a number line instead of pictures. So I will show you a couple of pictures after we do it on a number line, just to review how it is going to give us the same answer. But this is another way to find the answer to a subtraction problem. So the first problem that we're going to work on today is 9 minus 7. So for 9 minus 7, I have a number line above it. And my number line goes from 0 to 10. And I see the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that lets me know that I'm going to be counting by ones on this number line. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my number 9. And 9 minus 7. So 9 subtract, or 9 take away 7. So I'm going to find the number 9 on my number line. I'm going to underline it. And I'm going to go back 7 places on my number line. So I'm going to start on 9 and I'm going to go back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I ended up on the number 2. 9 minus 7 equals 2. And I can show you that with a picture. So if I started, let's say I started with 9 circles, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are my 9 circles to represent my number 9. And I'm going to subtract 7 or take away 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what I have left is 2. So 9 minus 7 equals 2. And I showed you that with the number line and with my pictures. The next subtraction problem that I'm going to work on using my number line is the subtraction problem 13 minus 6. Now, some of you might see this and it already might make your brain go ping, 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 ping. Miss Sullivan, that reminds me of near doubles. And that's great if you have that strategy. But if you don't, we're going to go ahead and use our number line. So just like before, boys and girls, I see a number line starting at 0. But this number line goes even further. This one goes to 15. So I'm going to count between it and see what I'm counting by. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've counted up. I know I'm counting by 1, so I'll be counting backwards by ones. So let's look at our problem again. 13 minus 6. All right, so I'm starting at 13 and I'm going to take away 6. So I want to find 13 on my number line and underline it. And I'm going to jump back 6 places. So starting on 13, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to circle the number that I landed on. And that shows me that 13 minus 6 equals 7. So I'll show you that in a picture. I'll do the same thing. I'm going to draw circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, and I'm going to take away 6 from that 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put a loop around what's left, and I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I just showed you with the number line and the picture how 13 minus 6 equals 7. The next subtraction problem that I'm going to work on is 16 minus 11. Ooh, that's big. That's starting up really high. So let's look at our number line to make sure that we have the right number line for this job. So I see I'm starting at 0 and going to 20. Let's make sure we're counting by ones. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so for this problem, where will I start? What number on the number line am I going to start at? 16, good, because my problem is 16 minus 11. So I'm going to find the number 16 on my number line. I'm going to underline it, and I'm going to hop back. I'm going to jump back 11 places. So 16 minus 11. Here we go. 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I stopped on the number 5. So 16 minus 11 equals 5. And I know I said I wasn't going to do a picture for all of them, but I'll do one anyway, just because I want to make sure that our brains are making that connection between our number line and our picture. So I need to go ahead and I need to draw 16 circles to represent that number 16. And I'm going to take away 11. So I have my 16 here. I'm going to take away 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, and now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 16 minus 11 equals 5. All right, let's look at our last one. Our last problem says 20 minus 14. All right, so I need my number line to go to at least 20. So let's see, our number line starting at 0 and going to 20. So far, so good. Let's count to make sure we'll be going by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, excellent. So this time for the problem 20 minus 14, where am I going to start? What number do I start on? That's right, I'm going to start at that number 20. So the number 20 on my number line just happens to be the last number, but that's okay. We can still use him. So this time I'm going to go back 14 places. So here we go. 1, 2, let me hold my paper down for you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And boys and girls, I ended up on the number 6. 20 minus 14 equals 6. Now let's show that in pictures. I'm going to do it over here where I have more room. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I've drawn 20 circles to represent that number 20, and I'm going to get rid of 14 of them. And boys and girls, I'm going to use a trick this time, and I'm going to count by 2s to make it go a little faster. So I'm going to count by 2s until I get to 14. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Let's see what's left. Let me draw a circle around it and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've shown you using my pictures that 20 minus 14 equals 6. So boys and girls, you're going to go now and you're going to work on the subtraction problem on Seesaw. And there's a number line on that activity that you're going to be doing. You can use the writing brush, the pencil, or the pen that's on the Seesaw page, and with your mouse, each time you can go backwards and count it, and then use the eraser so you'll have a nice clean number line each time. And moms and dads, if you don't have access to that, feel free to just make up subtraction problems with the starting number to be no larger than 20. All right, friends.